back once again on my channel, and today's topic will be mathematical operations, and this is one of the most easiest chapters in the intelligence test. So if you want to solve any questions from mathematical operations, it simply depends upon a rule called V-Brodmann's rule. V is nothing but Vinny-Coulomb bar, V is for brackets, any sort of open or close brackets, any sort of brackets, O is for off, is nothing but multiplication, D is for division, and M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. According to the order from V to S, we have to solve any question. By using this rule, we can solve any question from mathematical operations. So, if you see the very first question in today's session, that he has given that plus means minus, minus means into, division means plus, and into means division. So, we have to find the value for this question. So before solving this question, we have to change those symbols according to the given format, that plus means minus. So into means division, so we have to change all the symbols according to asked. So division means plus 3 and minus means into and plus means minus 3. After changing the symbols, then we have to follow the rule V-Brodmann's rule. If you see here, there is no Vinny-Coulomb or brackets, or there is no off. But there is a division. First we have to do the division. 10 by 5 is nothing but 2 plus 3 into 2 minus 3. After division we have to do the multiplication part. That is 2 plus 6 minus 3. Multiplication is completed. Later we have to do the addition part. 2 plus 6, that is nothing but 8 minus 3. And finally there is subtraction. 8 minus 3, that is nothing but 5 is your final answer. Now if you see the next question is asking 18C, 14A, 6B, 16D, 4 is equal to question mark. Now first we have to change all the symbols, all the letters to symbols. So he has given that A means plus, B means minus, C means into, and D means division. Therefore 18, what is C means into 14, what is A plus 6, what is B minus 16, and what is D division 4. Then after changing all the symbols from letters, then we have to do the follow the rule V-Brodmann's. There is no Vinny-Coulomb or brackets or off here, but there is a division. 18 into 14 plus 6. What is 16 by 4? 16 by 4 is nothing but 4. Later we have to do the multiplication part. Now if you see here, 18 into 14, that is nothing but 18 into 10, that is 180, and 4 18s are, that is 72. And 180 plus 72, that is nothing but 252 here. That is 18 14 is nothing but 252 plus 6 minus 4. Multiplication part is completed. Later we have to do the addition. 252 plus 6, that is nothing but 258 minus 4. And what is finally the subtraction part? 258 minus 4, that is nothing but 254 is your final answer. And if you see the next question, 4D, 16A, 5B, 8C, 5 is equal to question mark. First we have to change all the letters into the symbols. So if you see here, A means into, B means division, C means minus, and D means plus. First of all, we have to change all the letters into symbols. And what is D is given here? Plus 16. And what is A? Into. And what is B? Division. And what is the C? Minus 5. So later we have to observe V-Brodmann's. There is no Vinny-Coulomb brackets or off, but there is a division part here. That is 4 plus 16 into 5 by 8. But it's not calculating exact pattern. Just leave it aside. Division is complete. Later we have to do the multiplication part. If you see here, 8 ones are, 8 twos are, therefore 4 plus 2 5s are, that is nothing but 10 minus 5. Multiplication part is complete. Later we have to add 4 plus 10, that is nothing but 14 minus 5. Final part is nothing but subtraction. 14 minus 5 is nothing but 9 is your final answer. If you see the next question here, 15 into 9 divided by 12 into 4 into 4 into 4, we have to 4 divided by 4, we have to find the question. All the pattern is the case of brackets, but before solving the question, we have to change all the symbols according to the asked format. What is into here? Minus. 15 minus 9. What is division? That is plus. 12 minus 4. And what is into? Minus. What is division? Plus 4. Of course, all the three sections are in the brackets. So you do according to the brackets. 15 minus 9. That is nothing but here 6. Plus what is 12 minus 4? That is 8. Minus 4 plus 4. That is 8. So we have solved in the case of brackets. Later we have to follow the rule as Brodmann's. If you see here, finally there is a part of addition. 6 plus 8 is nothing but 14 minus of 8. Finally subtraction, 14 minus of 8 is nothing but 6. So final answer is 6. So if you see the next question, that 15B3 C24 A12 D2 is equal to question mark. So we have to change all the symbols from the letters according to the format. A means minus, B means division, and C means plus, and D means into. So what is B means? That is division. 15 divided by 3. And what is C? Plus. And what is A? Minus. And what is D? That is into 2. First of all, we have to follow the rule B bot mass after changing the letters into the symbols. So 15 by 3, there is nothing but 5 plus 24 minus 12 into 2. Division part is completed. Later the multiplication part. 5 plus 24 minus 24. Multiplication part is completed. Later addition part. 5 plus 24, there is nothing but 29 minus 24. Finally the subtraction part. 29 minus of 24, there is nothing but 5 is your final answer. If you see the next question, he is asking 50x2 W28T4. Of course, for the alphabets, X WT is called as T means into, U means minus, X means division, W means plus. So we have to change all the symbols from the alphabets. That is 50. What is X is given? Division 2. And what is W? Plus. And what is the T? That is into 4. So we have both these are in the case of brackets. So division T by 2 is nothing but 25 plus. And 28 4s are 4 8s are 32 3 carry, 4 2s are 8, that is nothing but 112. That is 112 plus 25, there is nothing but 137 is your final answer. So this is model number 2 in mathematical operations. So what are the signs should face here to balance this equation? So what are the signs should face here to balance this equation? If you see here is equal to 7, if you want to make the left part to the right hand side part to 7, simply 3 into 2, that is 6 plus 1, of course that is equal to 7. Without seeing the options, it is clearly indicating that into 2 plus 1, that is nothing but 7. So in the place of plus, if we substitute into, and in place of into, if we substitute plus, that is nothing but 7 is equal to 7. So what are the changes signs here? Into and plus is equal to. Therefore, here is the option into plus is equal to. That is clearly in the equation option A. Into plus is equal to. So answer is A. If you see the next question, 6 dash 5 dash 4 is equal to 34. We have to make the left part to 34. So what are the symbols to be inserted here? It is clearly indicating that without seeing the options also, 6 into 5 there is 30 plus 4. There is nothing but into 5 plus 30. That is into plus 4. So what is the option into and plus here? So option B is your answer. So if you see the next question, 7 dash 4 dash 8 dash 2 is equal to 24. What are the symbols should be inserted in the spaces to make it 24? So I am taking from the options. Now let us consider option A is your right answer. So option A is your right answer. That is nothing but 7 minus 4 into 8 into 2 is equal to 24. Whether it is right or wrong, we have to check it on. This is the model number 2 from mathematical operations. So we have to follow the rule B bot mass. That is 7 minus 4 8s are 32, 32 2s are 32 2s are, that is nothing but 64. 7 minus 64 obviously that will be negative value in the case of negative value, and there is no chance of getting 24. And there is no chance of getting, there is nothing but minus 57. 57 is not equal to 24. Option A is wrong answer. Now let us see the second option, that 7 minus 4 into 8 into 2 is equal to 24. Now whether we take in the case of second option, so we are following the rule bot mass. Therefore 4 8s are 32, 32 2s are 64. So sorry, second option minus into and division here. So second option into and division. So 8 by 2 is nothing but 4. 7 minus 4 into 4. There is nothing but multiplication. 7 minus 16. 7 minus 16 will be minus 9. There is no chance of minus 9 is equal to 24. So option A and option B is wrong. Now let us see the option C here. If I substitute 7 into 4 minus 8 divided by 2 here, there is nothing but, first we have to follow the rule bot mass. 8 by 2, there is nothing but 4. 7 into 4 minus 4 is equal to 24. Later we have to follow the rule after division and multiplication. 7 4s are 28 minus 24 is equal to 24. So finally if you see here, 28 minus 4, what is finally subtraction? 28 minus 4, that is nothing but 24 is equal to 24 is your right answer. So option C is right answer. So to the previous questions, by C directly we cannot insert the signs because it is the case of 4 format. means it is the case of 3 blanks here. Without doing that particular thing we cannot say. In some of the questions we can see directly, but in some of the questions we cannot say. So that was the reason I took from the options. So AB is not your answer, so option C is your answer. 24 is equal to 24. So if you see the next question here, 65 dash 40 dash 11 is equal to 36. To make it 36 from the left part, what are the symbols to be inserted in the left case? So without solving the question, we can say directly that 65 minus 40, that will be 25 plus 11. That is nothing but 36. So without substituting the options, without going through options, directly I can say that it is a case of minus and plus. 65 minus 40 plus 11 is equal to 36. Therefore, 36 is equal to 36. Therefore, the inserted symbol is nothing but minus and plus. That is clearly in the option A. So option A is your right answer. So friends, these are 10 questions from mathematical operations, and the mathematical operation, the content from mathematical operations, 1 mark in your entrance examinations. So kindly solve all the questions what I taught you just now, and we had added 10 more questions in the description box. Kindly try to do those 10 questions, and if any new students watching my video, kindly subscribe, like it and share it, and tap the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you.